What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visual Model WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to use the Row Separators from WPBakery Ultimate Add-ons plugin from Brainstorm Force. So into this guide you're gonna learn how to do this effect that separates the rows, okay? Every piece of content, if you're using WPBakery, it's separated on row. That is just like a section that you can apply content, image, and backgrounds to make it full widget, for example. And the separation of the rows can have some nice effects like this one, or this triangle, or this, maybe this one right here, like this. You can move this to top, to bottom, and to create nice effects while scrolling down your page, okay? How to do this? This is what you're gonna learn to this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access WordPress dashboard, it's your domain plus WP admin, WP login, enter with email or username and password. And to continue, you're gonna have to be active into your dashboard two plugins: the WPBakery page builder, okay, and the Ultimate Add-ons for WPBakery page builder, okay. This is required for this guide, okay. And one Ultimate Add-ons, we have the option called elements. Make sure that you have all the elements active for a better usage, okay. After this, let's move to any page that you would like to edit. I'm gonna work into the pre-built page, so make the process simple. And as you can see, we have a couple of contents right here, a couple of rows, and into each row I have a space gap, a heading, and another space gap. So our element to occupy space, a heading, and another element. How to add a row on your site? Click into this plus button, move to content, row, and right here you can apply every content that you wish to do, okay? Just like this. Once done, we're gonna move to edit row. There is this little pencil icon, and we're gonna enter a background, okay? We're gonna need to enter a background right here, okay? We can do a single color, gradient, image, YouTube video, or hosted video, up to you. We have a tutorial explaining how to enter backgrounds. After the row made, we're gonna need to do another row to separate things, okay? So you're gonna need to do at least two rows, just like this. I have two rows, and move to edit this row. Once again, next to background, there is an option called effects. This tab right here, click on it, scroll down, and on separator, yours may be off. I'm gonna select on, okay, and we're gonna need to choose the options we have. We have a couple of options to play with: big triangle left, big triangle right, up to you and the design that you want. Every single option changes the design. We can change the position of the effect. In this case, I'm editing the first row of the page, so it must be to the bottom, okay? Why? Because if I move to top, it's gonna have no effects because of my menu, okay? So it must be into the bottom of the page. If we are working to this middle row right here, the second row of the page, we can apply this to the top or to the bottom. Just remember, if you apply one row into the bottom, the other one gonna need to the bottom again, because if you apply on the top, both effects gonna be fighting each other, okay? So we don't want that. Let's go back. We can change the height of the effect. We can change the background of the effect, and the icon to display. You can even display an icon to this effect in the case that you want, okay? Save change and you are good to go. Let me edit this page to the front end so you can see the results happening. I'm gonna click on front end editor in order to see the page just like the user is gonna see it. As you can see, some elements from WPBakery does not load fine on front end, so you need to edit it onto the back end. Okay, this is a tip for you, because as you can see, you will not be able to see the results as you wish. Why? Because this element is not made from WPBakery plugin, they are made from Ultimate Add-ons. So the best option to do is go to the back end, edit, effects, change the style, go to preview, and see what changed. If you don't like, do the change again. Until you find the design that you like. Now let me talk about the background colors, okay? The background colors of the element right here must be the same background color of the section below it, okay? So if this section have this background color, this section, the first section element, must have the same background color, okay? Simple, right? Then you are good to go. Simple, easy, and very, very effective. And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And I see you guys tomorrow. All the best.